Hi, I'm Jamie Quinn for About.com, and today I'm going to share a few safety tips with you to keep in mind when felling a tree. Before we get started, I would just like to say that felling a tree is one of the most dangerous operations performed when using a chainsaw. And so before felling a tree, you should get the proper training and knowledge from someone with more experience. And if you have any doubts about the tree you are cutting down, it is best to hire an expert. Before beginning, you should go through a safety checklist. Notify the proper authorities before felling near power lines, roads, buildings. If you are cutting on a slope or hill, warn anyone downhill before beginning. Warn any bystanders or helpers that a tree is falling and make sure they are at least 2 or more tree lengths away. Make sure your chainsaw is in good working condition and that the chain is sharp. A dull chain can hinder the saw's cutting ability and cause kickbacks, one of the most dangerous chainsaw hazards. Kickbacks most commonly happen when you hit the upper part of the bar nose on a hidden branch, but can also happen because of the buildup of wet sawdust, loose chain, improper filing of the chain, running the saw too slowly, and changes in the wood such as hitting a knot. Make sure you have enough fuel to complete the job. Running out of fuel while making a cut can be dangerous. Never use the chainsaw on anything above waist height. Make sure that the size of your chainsaw is adequate for the size of the tree you are cutting, and that you have adequate proper wedges. If you are unsure, check with your chainsaw dealer. Make sure you have the proper protective gear. You will need a hard hat with face protection or safety glasses, ear protection, which may or may not be attached to your hard hat, gloves, and proper footwear, the best being made from Kevlar, which is cut resistant. You can also purchase Kevlar pants or chaps for added protection. What condition is the tree in? Look for rot that might influence the way the tree falls, broken limbs that might fall onto you, or branches that are entangled with other trees nearby. Rotten trees are unpredictable and best left to the professionals. Make sure that the area around the tree is clear of brush and debris and that you have an escape path cleared on the sides and behind the tree. Know the cut you are going to make before starting. There are many cuts and some are best left to the professionals. And lastly, get the experience needed for cutting down trees. There are many guides and courses on cutting trees, and you can gain experience by working with someone who has training. Thanks for watching, and for more information on felling trees, visit us on the web at About.com.